Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to absolutely transform how you manage and grade group work, and we're doing it using some incredible kind of hidden collaboration tools right inside Google Sheets. Look, if you're a high school teacher, you already know managing a room full of collaborating teenagers can literally feel like herding cats, right? But stick with me, because by the end of our time together today, you'll have a totally new toolkit to make group projects completely transparent, totally manageable, and best of all, perfectly fair.
So let's dive right in by confronting every teacher's absolute worst nightmare when it comes to group work. You know the one, the constant anxiety of the freeloader student just hiding behind their peers. We've all been there, right? You assign this fantastic group research project, you get a polished finished product back, and you're just left wondering, did all 4 students actually contribute equally to this? Or did that one overachiever stay up until 2 a.m. doing literally everything, while the other 3 just slapped their names on the title page? It is a massive source of stress for us educators who just really want to grade fairly. Well, today, we are turning Google Sheets from a basic data entry app into a foolproof, fully protected workspace, a place where you can seamlessly assign, monitor, and accurately evaluate these group projects. And the truly beautiful thing about Google Sheets, it's entirely cloud-based. You don't need to install any heavy software. All you need is a computer, a phone, or an iPad, and an internet connection. It is incredibly intuitive, which makes it the absolute perfect platform for building this stress-free grading system we're talking about. All right, let's get into phase 1, building the fortress, designing an unbreakable template for your students. Before you share anything with your high schoolers, you've got to have the workspace ready. You'll start by opening Google Drive, creating a new spreadsheet, and giving it a super clear project name right at the top left. Then you just lay out your questions or rubrics. Think of this like laying the foundation of a house. But, because teenagers can sometimes be a little clumsy with tech, this template needs to be completely disaster-proof. So, how do we actually build these defenses? Well, to make sure your students don't accidentally delete your perfectly formatted rubrics, you've got to protect your structural cells using these exact steps. First, select your header row, usually row 1. Then head up to the data menu and click Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel pops up on the right. You just click Set Permissions and change it to Only You. Boom. You've just built a literal fortress. Your students can type freely in the blank areas, but if they try to mess with your protected titles, the system will completely block them. Moving right along to phase 2, deployment, distributing your protected sheets to the class. Now that your template is totally safe from accidental destruction, what are the best ways to actually get this document into your students' hands so they can start collaborating? It really comes down to 2 main choices here. Option A is direct sharing, using that blue share button. You type in the specific student emails, and this is absolutely crucial, make sure they're set as an editor so they can actually type. This is totally fine for a quick small group. But option B, this is the real game changer for high school teachers, Google Classroom. You just attach your template to an assignment and select Students Can Edit File. The massive time saver here is that for your next group, you can literally just click Reuse Post, select the first group's assignment, and push it to the next group. It saves you massive amounts of setup time. Okay, now for the fun part. Phase 3, real-time magic, supervising the chaos of collaboration. Once the kids click their links, you get to witness the magic of real-time collaboration right on your screen, without anyone overriding anyone else's work. As the teacher, you can literally watch them work live. You'll see these awesome color-coded cursors flying around the screen in real time. If you hover your mouse over any cursor, boom, it instantly reveals the student's name. You see their data appear the exact second they type it. And here's a massive pro tip. If you see someone struggling, you can just add a comment on a cell, type the plus sign, followed by their email address, and it instantly assigns them a specific task. Sends a notification right to their inbox, too. So cool, right? But eventually, the project ends, which brings us to phase 4, the omniscient grader, guaranteeing fair evaluations. The crucial point here is how we actually grade this collective effort fairly. I mean, you've watched them work, but did everyone really pull their weight? Enter the ultimate tool for teachers, version history. You'll find this tracking feature under the File menu. It records every single modification, timestamp, and user contribution within the document. It acts as an omniscient grader, tracking absolutely everything that happens in the file from the exact moment it's created. It's basically a time machine for your spreadsheet. When you open this menu, you get a precise list of edit dates and times. And the best part? You can instantly see exactly which student wrote what, because their text is highlighted in their assigned color. So you can clearly see if one kid did 90% of the typing. It lets you evaluate individual contributions fairly, with hard evidence. Oh, and bonus. If a student accidentally wipes out the entire project, you just find an older version, click Restore this version, and recover all that lost work. Absolute lifesaver. All right, once you've mastered those basics, we can jump into Phase 5, Advanced Upgrades. Leveling up with forms, add-ons, and formulas. Let's look at 3 quick, super powerful upgrades you can add to your tool belt to take things to the next level. First up, forms. If you need to survey your class, you can instantly link a Google form directly to your spreadsheet. Just go to the Tools menu, click Create Form, and a new tab with a little purple icon will appear at the bottom. This means they're connected. All those student answers will automatically flow right into that new tab without you doing any manual data entry whatsoever. Second, you can give your grading sheet literal superpowers by installing educational add-ons. Just click Extensions or Add-ons in the top menu, select Get Add-ons to open the Marketplace, search for educational tools, and click Install. These are basically custom apps built right into the platform that automate specific, repetitive tasks for you. It completely customizes your whole workspace. Finally, when you're a high school teacher dealing with massive amounts of student data, you need the query function. It is one of the most potent search tools in Google Sheets. Think of it as a hyper-advanced filter used to precisely extract specific information from huge sets of data in an absolute flash. For example, look at this formula. It might look a little intimidating, but it's really straightforward. It just tells the sheet to look at a range of data, A1 to F15. The Select A, where F equals C part, tells it to only extract the student names in column A if their answer in column F is C. And that 1 at the end, that just tells the formula you have a header row so it doesn't mess up your titles. It's incredibly powerful for sorting data quickly. Now, if formulas like that make you nervous, hear this quote: "You don't need any programming background to unlock these Google Sheets superpowers." And it is absolutely true. The most empowering part of all this is that mastering these advanced filters, add-ons, and real-time collaboration features requires absolutely zero coding experience. None. It's all built to be visual and user-friendly. So we've covered building the fortress, deploying it, watching the live magic, and using version history for fair grading. With all these techniques in hand, I want to leave you with this question. How will completely transparent, stress-free, collaborative grading change your classroom dynamics starting tomorrow? Setting up just one protected, trackable group project is going to radically transform how your students collaborate. Thanks for joining this explainer, and have fun building your new grading workspace.